Okay guys, now I want to get to the good stuff, right? Because this, it's great that I have an image for this, but like this all looks like really basic, right? Like it's just text and then like, I don't know, like I can't even, there's nothing colored, it's all to the left. So I want to get to styling. So styling, what you do is you have linked your style sheet right here in the header. So it means that anything I add into this style.css is going to be recognized and loaded onto my HTML page. Now the way you do style is you tell the style page what exactly you want to style. And the syntax is a little different than HTML. So with HTML you have these like square brackets. With CSS you're going to have curly braces, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So first of all, I'm going to style the H1 tag, okay? And the first thing I can do is I'm going to style the color, because that's really nice. That's going to be the color of the name, okay? So if you, or the color of the font. So if you say dark olive green, it allows you to scroll through a list and you can change it that way, okay? I can change the font size if I would like to. I could make it like 60 pixels, okay? Notice that when I've done H1 here, I start it's called a curly brace. I open it up right here, and every style that I want to add to this H1 tag, I'm going to put in between an opening curly brace and a closing curly brace. And typically the closing curly brace is on its own line. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it. There's that. Okay, folks, in order to align the text into the center, you would say text align. And I'm going to choose this option right here, and then you would say center right there, and with a semicolon at the end. So that ends up being centered there. I can also add a background color. That's pretty exciting. And you know what? There's a dash in between it. So background, usually it kind of gives me a, let me try again. Okay, so background color, I'm going to choose that so I don't have to type it out. And let's say wheat with a semicolon there. Okay, so if I refresh it, it looks like that. One other thing that's pretty nice is to make the box around this a little bit smaller, so it doesn't go across the width of the body of the page. So I can say width, let's say 1000 px, okay? And I can also add, oh, I forgot that actually let's not add that, because what happens is when you do that, it doesn't center it, and we'll go over that in a more advanced lesson, so we'll keep it like that. One thing that I would like you to add that always looks nice is something called padding. Padding adds and we'll put 15 px with a semicolon here, and you can sort of work with this and see what you like, but you'll notice that watch how this changes here. Right, the box got wider, or got taller, so that the space in between the bottom and the text and the top and the text widens, so it doesn't look like it's like pushed inside the like the text is not pushed inside the box. Okay, so just add those two pieces as you go. So add some background color, add some padding, and align your text. So I want the all the heading tags to be aligned to the left of the, or to the center of the page.